Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you what I got in my Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription and you get about 4 to 5 full-size products. So the retail value majority of the times is over $100. So if you wanted to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have a link in the description box. So I'll show you what I got for this month of February. So like always, it comes with a little card. This one says Afterglow. And this actually lets me know what I got. So these are the items I got. Alright. We got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So it looks like that. And this one retails for $24. And good timing because I was running out of mascara. Next I got the Pretty Vulgar. And this is the Shimmering Swan highlighter. This one retails for $32, so I got that. And I needed a new highlighter, so let's see how that one works. Next I got the Grande Lips, and this is a Hydro Plump liquid lipstick. It's semi-matte, and then it is in Honey Ginger, and this one retails for $25. Okay. The next item I have, it is the No Pore Blend Primer by Touch and Soul. Let's see. And this one retails for $18. And the last two items I got, it is from Tula Probiotic Skincare. And it's Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask, and it comes 2 sheets here and 2 sheets there, so 4 sheets, so that's nice. And I love face masks, so that's great. So I'm really excited about this month's Boxycharm. Sorry I don't sound too excited. I got food poisoning the other day and I'm still trying to recover from that. So yeah, that is everything I got for this month. And the retail value, let's find out how much that is. And the retail value for all the items is $123. So I would rather pay $21 than $123. So yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. Bye.